Hello, hello, Aries Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for May 12 to May 18. Tulad na kagawian, Aries ha, kunin nyo lang yung makaka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Aries yun. Kaya talasan nyo po ang inyong intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang message na kaloob sa inyo ng Spirit Guides nyo sa ating reading for today. Thank you po again for all of your donations at saka po sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Thank you po for your generosity and kindness sa ating channel. Malaking tulong po yan bilang inyong suporta po sa atin. So thank you again for your generosity sa araw-araw po. So thank you, Aries. So ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong May 12 to 18? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Page of Cups. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Empress card. In the area of what you need, you have the Two of Swords. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Six of Wands. Beautiful. Victory. In the area of your near future, meron kang, wow, Four of Swords. In the area of your challenge, you have the Page of Pentacles. In the area of your fortune, meron kang, wow, Eight of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your divine advice, meron ka namang Three of Wands. At ang outcome mo this week, Aries, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Lovely, lovely. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Knight of Cups. Ooh, ngayon parang I'm hearing meron kang hinihintay na job offer o parang alok from someone, talagang alam mo, inaasahan mo at ina-anticipate mo na mapapasa iyo. I'm hearing a very, very positive thinking, Aries, at this time, na may inaasahan ka, may hinihintay, merong ina-anticipate o may minamanifest na job offer from someone. I'm hearing matagal mo tong pinaghintayan o inasikaso. I'm hearing talagang there is something na matagal mong hinintay kaso ang daming aberyaw, ang daming kinakailangan na papeles o requirement from you. And you're thinking, pasok ba ako? Qualified ba ako? Yung credentials ko ba pasok? So ito, parang tinitimbang mo for a very, very long time and hinihintay mo talaga yung parang kasagutan from them. I'm also hearing parang phone call na lang ang tulay nito. Parang phone call na lang ang hinihintay o confirmation from a chat or email, ganyan. So itong offer na to, nakikita ko na this is something na alam mo, babago sa buhay mo. O magkakaroon ka ng malaking financial stability in your family. And I'm seeing this is something na swak sa panlasa mo o swak sa industry ang gusto mong pasukan because for a very long time you've been in an industry na akala mo yun ang gusto mo talagang tahakin pero na-realize mo na you want to level up, you want something else, and itong offer na to na lang talaga ang hinihintay mo at this moment. So I'm praying and I'm also trying to manifest for all of you na makuha mo na itong offer na to, itong alok ng trabaho, itong pagbubukas ng opportunity for you so that talaga may angat mo na yung level ng buhay mo this time, Aries. So, manifesting dusts for all of you. Congratulations in advance. So, i-claim mo na yan, okay? So, start na tayo at the center of your reading. You have the Page of Cups. The Page of Cups all about you concentrating on this product. Sa resulta na ito, nagko-concentrate ka dyan, ayaw mong palagpasin, ayaw mong malingat man lang kahit saglit. Talagang nakafocus ka doon and you're thinking long, hard enough kung paano ito mapapabilis o paano mo sa-secure na akin ito. I'm seeing someone asking or praying for a job na talaga namang konti lang yung pwedeng pumasok doon o konti lang yung nakalaan na slots for a certain employee. Kaya ikaw talaga nagdarasal ka ng taimtim na sana ikaw na, sa'yo na ibigay. I'm also hearing for some na talagang ito yung paglipat mo. You want to level up parang meron ka ng lilipatan na bagong trabaho na mas malaki ang sweldo. O kaya mas maganda, stable yung pagkakakitaan, hindi ka nag-aalangan na parang pagkatapos ng kontrata wala na, ganyan. So parang ito mas solid itong bagay na ito, mas malaki, mas malawak at mas sigurado. That's what I'm hearing. And you are not taking anything for granted. I'm hearing here na talagang buong puso ka nakatutok dito at walang kahit ano man na makakapagsabi sa'yo na, ay, wag na lang yan, Aris, baka naghihintay ka sa wala, o wag na lang yan kasi malayo, o kaya too good to be true, ganyan. Pero ikaw, hindi, sigurado kay alam mo na ito yung para sa'yo. At ito yung katuparan ng dasal mo, especially at your outcome, meron kang hinihintay na parang blessing o mabuo. And kaakibat din niya itong Empress mo na parang meron kang dinedevelop at gusto mong maipanganak na. So this time around, you're really waiting for something. Ang dami mong waiting cards here, Aries. You have the Knight of Cups, you have the Three of Wands, and you have the Seven of Pentacles. Meron ka pang Page of Cups. You're waiting for something to arrive. And I'm feeling malapit na. Parating na siya, especially with the Seven of Pentacles. And everything that you're doing right now is okay yan. Okay yung paghihintay na yan. Okay yung pag-focus mo na yan because this is something na talagang malaki para sa'yo. Page of Cups being clarified by The Knight of Swords. Oh yes, gusto mo talagang mabilis itong dumating. You want to have this because Knight of Swords also about a card of quick messages. Para meron darating sa yung magandang balita this time because Knight of Swords is like I've said, a card of messages. So phone call, text, email, chat, hintayin mo yan. Darating na yan probably this week or the end of the week, especially with the presence of the Seven of Pentacles telling you na nandyan na yung hinihintay. So congratulations. I'm seeing here talaga huwag palampasin ang darating. Especially matagal mo tong hinintay, matagal mo tong minimithi. So go, so good Aries. Iyo ito, okay? In the area of what you want, you have the Empress card. Empress card is someone na talaga namang prepared and ready talaga na buo ipanganak yung mga bagay na gusto niya ipanganak. Pwedeng literal kung kayo po ay naghihintay ng good news about a pregnancy. I'm seeing that malapit na siya sa buhay mo this time. I'm seeing for others kung may binubuo ka talagang passion project o talagang I'm hearing ito'y bunga ng matagal na paghihirap, bunga ng matagal na pag-aasikaso at ito yung gusto mo makuha this time. With the Empress card, I'm seeing here na I don't know, the message is protect yourself, prepare yourself Aries because you will be very very busy in the coming days and the coming weeks. I'm seeing na talaga magiging busy ka pagpasok ng offer na ito o ng alok na ito, opportunity na ito. I'm seeing kasi na parang ang daming bagong gagawin. So, nire-require ka ng spirit guides mo na prepare yourself, matulog ng maraming tulog, magpahinga, especially in your near future, nandun yung pahinga na nakikita ko. And also, drink more vitamins, healthy food, kasi kailangan mo yan ngayon. Kailangan mong maging healthy for the things to come in your life. Mahusig here na parang ikaw independent ka Aries. Parang ikaw ngayon wala mo ng love life o wala mo ng paghahanap sa mga usaping puso. Ang iyong goal this time is to earn more and to get a better and to land on a better job na may better salary. Ano? The Empress card's being clarified by the Sun card. Wow, yes, freedom. Freedom to choose. Nakita ko dito na parang this time around you're very, very optimistic. Para ito yung kalayaan mo. Pag ito talaga nakuha ko, I'm free. Magagawa ko ng gusto ko. Makakapag-ipon na ako. I'm landing on a better job na walang struggle, walang masungit na boss, o walang pahirap na coworkers, o kaya feeling mo, yung sa dati mong trabaho, sobrang overworked ka, and then talagang dire-drain ka nun, and especially in your mental health. So ngayon parang gusto mo lumaya, gusto mong mabuo na itong ginagawa. Pwede ring negosyo ito or passion project na binubuo mo this time. At kapag ito nabuo mo talagang it will bring you so much happiness. It's like you putting a reroute, parang iiba ka ng direksyon at ito yung talagang gusto mong tahakin, ito yung gusto mong buuin para sa sarili mo. Kasi pag ito nakuha mo, nakikita ko talaga may paglaya sa'yo, you're very, very happy. At saka parang katuparan to ng isang dasal. Parang, yes, Lord, nalagpasan ko yun, nakuha ko. Akala ko hindi ko makukuha, pero this time around, you gave it to me. So, congratulations in advance, Aries. In the area of what you need to do, kailangan mo, you have the Two of Swords. Two of Swords is not just about this or that. Hindi lang ito yung parang indecision na nararamdaman ni Two of Swords. Yung Two of Swords kasi marami pa daw options, Aries. Yan ang payo sa'yo ng spirit guides mo. Kailangan mo daw maghanap pa ng ibang option. I don't know why, pero meron ka daw gustong gawin this time. Especially in this offer. O meron kang, I'm hearing meron ng alok sa'yo, but you don't know if you need to accept this or mag-stay ka pa sa kung anong meron ka this time. Very, very profound for others. And you need to decide daw whether to go there or not. Pakinggan mo daw ang intuition mo, ang puso mo, ang iyong pakiramdam, kung tama na ba na mag-give in ka sa next offer o possible new adventure sa buhay mo o mag-stay ka sa kung ano meron ka this time. Because I'm hearing na for a very long time, you're just waiting for something to arrive. At matagal mo tong tinatry na buuin, probably for the past year, nagbubuo ka na ng mga papeles, at make sure mo yung credentials mo ay malinis, o kaya yung papers mo, visa mo, yung passport, ganyan. So, ang tagal mo binubuo yung something para makalipad ka o makapunta ka sa desired mong trabaho o offer sa'yo na pasok lahat ng qualities. But I'm hearing merong indecision sa puso mo o sa isip mo na parang, should I leave and start na with a new life with this offer or should I stay? Kasi parang I'm hearing there's fear because you're fearing of taking a risk. Takot kang magbago yung buhay mo, takot kang may mag-shuffle sa buhay mo this time around. Parang kahit papaano kung may pangarap ka, you know na maraming magbabago dyan at maraming hindi mag-i-stay. Pwedeng sa lifestyle, pwedeng sa bahay, sa pamilya, sa love life mo, maaaring maapektuhan. pero alam mo na ito yung pangarap ko pero gusto ko manatiling ganito itong bagay na ito. Paano kaya? So you're thinking long and hard and talagang masinsinang pag-iisip ito kung paano ko babalansin ng lahat na hindi magbabago yung lifestyle o yung posisyon sa pamilya namin o posisyon sa buhay ko kapag tinanggap ko ito. Will things be the same kung tanggapin ko to o hindi? So ngayon, nando ka sa indecision. But your spirit guides are telling you, make a decision now. I'm hearing because kapag dumating yung offer na yan, you don't have any choice but to make a decision. So ngayon pa lang mag-isip-isip ka na pag nalay-nalayan mo na kasi para hindi kayo mabigla pag dumating na yung decision making time for you para makapamili ka ng tama at maaluwan sa isip mo. Kasi kung biglaan, baka mamaya magdala ka lang na bugso ng damdamin. Kaya ngayon pa lang, upuan mo na ito, ask other people, especially your family, your parents, or your kids, o kaya yung mga experts sa life mo, mga professionals sa life mo na maaaring makatulong sa iyo when it comes to advices. Kung tatanggapin mo ba to o mag-stay ka sa kung anong meron ka. Okay? Pero nakikita ko dito talaga may na itong bagay nito ang hinihintay mo. So why fear of the change kung ito talaga ang pinangarap mo at dinasal mo? That's what I'm asking you, Aries. Kasi parang may contradiction ka dito. May pinapangarap ka, meron kang gustong puntahan o gawin, buuin, and you're just waiting for a very long time for this to manifest. Pero pag nandyan na, parang nakikita ko from you may hesitation. Parang tatanggapin ko ba talaga? May takot na kaya ko ba talaga ito? Sometimes we dream of things that's super ganda, super lawak, super laki, pero pag dumating na, merong ganong uri ng reaction na parang gusto ko ba talaga to? Nag-step forward ba ako? Baka natakot lang ako, baka hindi ko kaya, baka I'm asking for so much that I can't, hindi ko kayang pangatawanan. So now, it's time for you to really make a decision and ask yourself, is this what I really want in my life? Okay, para hindi masayang ang manifestation powers mo, Aries. Pero I'm hearing this will give you something coming out. Basta pag-usapan natin later tong yung fortune kasi maganda naman siya. I'm saying talaga you need to really make a decision this time. Okay? The Two of Swords being clarified by the Four of Wands. Yes. This time around, think for the future. Think for the stability of your family. Financial stability. I'm hearing that this will give you parang 4 times ahead of anybody. I'm seeing celebration, especially here depicted in the card, na parang this is like you reaching a milestone, reaching a threshold. Parang ito yung parang next step, next level. Ito yung parang finish line doon sa problemang ito. Kaya kailangan mo na mag-decide. And I'm hearing the decision would be really, really fruitful kapag tinanggap mong offer na ito. I don't know why, pero yung hesitation mo is naggagaling doon sa takot na baka hindi mo alam kasi kung ano mangyayari kaya takot na takot ka. So make sure na wag mo munang pangunahan yung sitwasyon. Just do what is best now. Yung decision for today, huwag mo muna isipan ng masyado yung future, kung anong aabutan doon, kung anong mangyayari doon. This time around, make a sound decision for today, okay? And I'm hearing talaga itong decision mo na ito, moving forward, will give you the stability that you need, especially for you and your family, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is you doing everything that you can para mag-succeed sa bagay na ito. Na-visualize mo na yung victory, na-visualize mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin, makabayad sa ganito, makabili ng ganyan, papaaral sa anak, para sa kinabukasan. Pero there's lingering fear talaga sa sarili mo yun. With this Two of Swords, talagang may takot, may alinlangan, kaya kailangan mag-decide ka talaga. And I'm hearing na supportado ka naman supportado ka naman ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Baka takot ka lang subugal because talagang bago ang lahat. And taking risk naman talaga is really difficult and nakakatakot, di ba? Parang nakakalunod siya isipin kung ano yung mga dapat gawin, ano yung mga right step para hindi magkamali, ganyan. So, everything that is unfamiliar is scary and I completely understand that. Pero, lingering naman sa background mo ang success and everybody is supporting you here. I'm also seeing you getting into the spotlight. Meron ganyang Aries sa inyo na parang now, you want na parang magkaroon ng maraming followers, maraming supporters. I don't know why I'm seeing someone na maraming subscribers and people are being drawn to you na parang tuwang-tuwa sila sa'yo, nakaka-relate sila sa'yo, nagugusto nila yung mga sinasabi mo, ginagawa mo. So this time around talaga na parang also find passion doon sa ginagawa mo. Para saan ba to? Para kanino ba ito? Kapag naisip mo yan at napag-desisyonan mo yan, mas madali sa'yo ang yakapin yung bagay na darating sa life mo. And with the victory card, na-visualize mo na na-envision mo na yung future na talagang mananalo ka dito at magiging successful ka dito. So why stop now, Aries, no? So 6 of Wands being clarified by The Two of Wands. So, may 2-2 ka na. You're on the right path with the 2-2 here. You're on the, parang aligned ka sa purpose ng yung higher self sa iyong ginagawa sa lupa. Tulad dito ginagawa ni Two of Wands, talagang nakatingin siya sa labas ng kanyang bahay. Meaning, sa isip at puso niya handa na siyang kumawala sa sarili niyang mundo at mag-try ng mga bagay sa labas to chase something better, better opportunities, better na magpagkakakitaan or possibilities sa life niya. So ngayon nakatanaw siya at handa na siya. Kailangan na lang action. And you know, the combination of Two of Wands and the Six of Wands telling you na parang this is the right time. You're on the right path with a 6 plus 2, 8. 8 of Wands, I'm saying talaga na you're on the right direction. This is something good na talagang dapat mong asahan at dapat mong gawin. Ang kinakailangan lang ito, action. Pag-action sa mga bagay na gustong gawin. And step out of your comfort zone. This is not the right time for you to really scared na parang, wag na lang kaya. Baka hindi ko kaya. Kaya mo, Aries. Kaya mo to and you can do this. Especially in the near future, I'm seeing here with the 4 of Swords, struggle. Walang struggle, walang pag-iyak, walang problema, walang stress, walang worry. I'm seeing you parang payapa ang puso. With the 4 of Wands, also a card of like a clear prayer manifestation. Parang dininig ang dasal mo in the near future. So kung ikaw ngayon nahihirapan ka mag-decide, parang push and pull ka sa gustong gawin kasi may takot. Pero handa ka, sa isip mo handa ka, sa pinapakita mo sa mga ibang tao handa ka and you are ready to conquer, parang walang fear, pero sa loob-loob may alinlangan. In the near future, I'm telling you, Aries, there will be a peaceful life for you. Prayers answered, walang stress, walang worry. You're landing on a job that is, or on a situation in your life na talaga namang ikaw ay may naiipon, may panggastos. Kaya ilaban mo ito because I'm seeing talaga may financial stability in the 4 of Wands. Your family will be stable. I'm seeing everybody is really happy sa dynamic, sa harmonious relationship na meron kayo. Kaya ilaban mo ang bagay na ito. 4 of Swords being clarified by the 8 of Pentacles, yes. May katahimikan, may kasaganahan, may kaayusan sa iyong trabaho. Sa iyong bagay na pinagkakaabalahan, pwedeng passion project o negosyo, ganyan. So, anything that you're working on, I'm seeing talaga na payapa ka. Everything is working out. Parang lahat gamay mo, lahat walang aberya, lahat maayos. Smooth sailing ang lahat. So, make sure this time around, daanan mo talaga to, Aries, para makaland ka sa 4 of Swords mentality o 4 of Swords state sa buhay mo, especially in the area of your work, area of your money, at area of your negosyo. So make sure this time around na talaga namang huwag matakot at huwag panghinaan ang loob. Okay? Para umabot tayo sa future na ito yung status mo. In the area of your challenge this week, Aries, you have the Page of Pentacles. Challenge sa'yo this week is to focus and to give yourself enough time para pag-aralan ang bagay-bagay. Halimbawa, pag dumating na tong offer na to, tong bagay na gusto mong buuin, bagay na hinihintay mo this time, make sure talaga nakatutok ka dyan at lahat ng pasikot-sikot ay inalam mo na para kung may mag-arise man na possible problem o possible gusot, ay madali mo mapaplansya because naisip mo na agad. So, parang kailangan 10 steps ahead ka sa gagawin mo this time around. And also, dapat di ka nalilingat, dapat consistent ka daw sa approach mo dito na parang okay ngayon aasikasuhin, mabukas hindi. Sa makalawa mo na aasikasuhin. So parang hindi ka consistent sa ginagawa mo this time. So make sure that you're putting your whole heart and mind sa effort na ito. I'm hearing na kailangan mo itong pagtuunan ng pansin because this is something really big. Something na may potential sa buhay mo. Kaya kailangan mo itong alagaan at huwag palampasin. Like I said kanina sa core mo, ready ka naman eh. You don't want to waste the opportunity. Kaya nga lang, naramdaman ko talaga yung alinlangan in your part. So, ano ba bang confirmation ng kailangan mo, Aries? That this will be good with the 4 of Wands, with the Sun card, with the 2 of Wands, and the Victory card. At saka meron kang kapayapaan and no stress phase sa iyong future. So, huwag ka nang matakot na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mong simulan this time. I'm hearing na ikaw ang kinakailangang magbago in order for this to manifest at saka gumalaw ng mabilis. The Page of Pentacles being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this is something so valuable to you, Aries. Kaya talagang pagtutuka mo tong mabuti and huwag mo sayangin yung pagkakataon. That's what I'm hearing. Make sure na lahat ng effort i-exert mo, lahat ng time and oras and expertise mo ilaan mo dyan. Kung kailangan mong aralin pa ang ibang bagay, aralin mo para maging pulido ang lahat. Okay? I'm hearing talaga wag kampante. Make sure this time around you are alert and you are active player sa life mo this time, okay? In the area of your fortune, ito maganda, you have the Eight of Swords. Like I've said kanina, merong alinlangan because may fear, di ba? Ngayon sa fortune mo na kita ka, bibigyan ka ni God ng energy of acceptance kung ano ka. Acceptance of what you are and ano yung sitwasyon mo. At hindi mo gagamitin yung weaknesses mo para ma-emphasize yun at maging mahina ang loob mo. Ngayon parang binibigyan ka ni God ng kalakasan. Maybe this reading is the gift for you para makawala ka dito sa mentality ng Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords kasi parang siya yung uri ng tao na feeling niya wala siyang way out, wala siyang solusyon, feeling niya mahina siya, feeling niya wala siyang kalakasan, feeling niya wala lang paraan para makawala dito. Parang feeling niya stuck siya sa isang lugar. Pero ngayon, makakawala ka na stuck mindset mo sa stuck era mo. I'm seeing na you will get the solution and the option that you can manifest this time. Itong reading na to probably is the answer to this, na parang okay, mabibigyan na ng idea si Aries kung paano siya makakawala sa kanyang sitwasyon. There will be option A, option B, option C, at magdagdag ka pa ng maraming option doon para kung sakali man na yung A and B ay hindi umubra, meron ka pang kasunod na pangatlo at meron ka pang ibang gagawin para hindi rin masayang ang oras mo. I'm seeing here, Aries, na talaga namang focus on your strength more than your weaknesses. Huwag mong bigyan ng hininga o bigyan ng space sa utak at puso mo yung kahinaan mo. Always, i-hype mo lagi yung sarili mo, Aries. Parang okay yung believe ko sa sarili ko. Itaas mo ang bangko mo. Okay lang yan. I'm hearing na kung meron man dapat magtiwala sa'yo, ikaw muna yon bago ang ibang tao. So make sure this time around, palakasin mo ang iyong mental health, ang iyong kumpiyansa sa sarili that you can accomplish anything. Kapag may dumating na aberya, huwag mo laging isipin na, ay, nagkamali na naman si Aries, ay, nagkamali na naman ako. No. Ano lang yan, parang lubak lang yan sa daan, pero kaya mo yung lagpasan and you can do more than ever. Okay? So make sure this time around, palakasin mo ang iyong kumpiyansa. Okay? The Eight of Swords being clarified by the Seven of Wands. Yes, this time around talagang i-prove mo sa sarili mo daw para magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na ipatunayan sa mga tao yung kakayanan mo and you will defend yourself. Parang, hindi, kaya ko to, lalabanan ko to, magagawa ko to. Kung feeling mo at feeling ng ibang tao na stuck ka dyan at wala ka magagawa at hindi mo na to kaya solusyonan, magkakaroon ka ng opportunity to stand for yourself, defend your truth, defend mo yung plano mo, yung gusto mong gawin. Ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng lakas at tibay ng loob. So, talagang magkasunod ito, magka-partner sila. If you feel stuck, lonely, no solution, walang help, ito binibigyan ka ni Seven of Wands ng solusyon. Parang siya, matibay siya, maparaan siya, babangon siya, lalaban siya. So, ito dapat yung embody mo this time. So, God will give you that energy. Congratulations, Aries. In the area of your divine advice, meron ka namang Three of Wands. Three of Wands telling you sa paghihintay, kailangan daw this time around, you are very much alert at panindigan. Panindigan mo daw yung mga bagay na pinipili mo, Aries. Madaling mangarap, madaling mag-visualize ng mga bagay na gusto natin marating sa buhay, mga bagay na gusto nating abutin, gusto nating makuha. Pero ngayon kapag sa paghihintay mo at pag-manifest mo ng bagay na yan, kailangan mong panindigan because there will be also a accompanying challenges at saka gusot at saka mga problema sa mga goals na gusto natin marating. So, make sure na talagang paninindigan mo siya at you can do your best effort para makuha o masolusyonan ng mga bagay-bagay. Kasi nararamdaman ko talaga sa reading mo na meron kang minimiti na isang bagay pero nandun yung fear na baka meron sa yung parang negative yung pag-iisip na parang, ay baka hindi ko makuha, baka hindi yan sa akin. So, hintay ako ng hintay, baka hindi na yan, baka wala na yan. So, this time around, always think positive, especially here with the Sun card. Think positive and parang optimistic waiting for something to arrive. Okay? Especially na may darating daw sa life mo kaya dapat maging positive ka lang. The Three of Wands being clarified by the Five of Swords. Yes. You're thinking, worth it pa ba to? Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Saan ba ako nagkulang? Saan ba ako nagkamali? Bakit ganoon sinabi niya sa akin? Dapat ganito pala ginawa ko. So, you're focusing too much on the negative. If you're just enjoying the process, like dito sa dati mong ikaw, ito yung nag-enjoy yung background mo. Pero mas pinapahalagahan mo yung lungkot, yung mga problema, yung mga stress, worry, and kung saan nakaka-aberya, pinapangunahan mo yung sitwasyon. Kung papahalagahan mo lang daw yung happiness in the process of waiting, sulit ang paghihintay mo, sulit ang pag-attract mo ng positive energy. Don't focus on negativity, Aries. The wait is over, I'm hearing. So make sure this time around, palakasin mo pa yung positive energy mo para mas bumilis yung paghihintay sa offer na ito, okay? Bago tayo pumunta sa yung outcome, magbasa mo tayo ng fortune card. So dagdag messages for you mula sa yung spirit guides. So, hanap tayo dito ng mga additional message for you. First, you have firecracker, excitement. So, magkaroon ka talaga ng excitement. Huwag kang problema, huwag kang mangamba. Be excited daw this time, okay? Dagdag pa tayo, you have valley, deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Like I said here, may peace, may katatagan ng loob, may kapayapaan. So, yun daw ang ano mo ngayon, ang iyong i-embody. Okay? Another message, you have crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Like I said, merong ipapanganak ka this time. Pwedeng bata din daw. Confirmation ito para sa mga naghihintay magbuntis. Ayan, may confirmation about babies or pagbubuntis. And also, may ipapanganak ka daw ng mga bagay o oportunidad this time for you. Congratulations. Another message, you have success. Wow, very simple. May success ka daw this time. Another message, you have Vine. Seek out information that will help you. Like I said here, may mga bagay kailangang alamin, kailangang pag-aralan, kailangang busisiin. So, may mga bagay daw na kailangan mo talaga ngayong i-enrich ang iyong knowledge about something. Okay? Huwag mong i-shortcut ang mga bagay-bagay. Aralin daw kung dapat aralin. Okay, Aries? Another message you have, hanap pa tayo ng 5. You have pig. Beware of greed. O mag-beware ka daw sa pagkagahaman. Hindi ko alam kung sa paligid mo ba yan o sa family mo o sa workmates mo na parang feeling mo napakagahaman naman ng tao na ito. O, biglang tumalon. So beware daw sa mga taong huwag ka sumasama sa mga ganun. Another message, older man, dealings or relationship with an older man. Pwedeng boss mo to o parents mo o asawa nyo po, older man na ngayon ay siguro ay may dinaramdam o mayroong kayong gusot o mayroong kayong fractured relationship. Now is the right time for you to really mend that relationship at bigyan mo doon atensyon at panahon ang taong ito. Older man in your life. Ikamustahin mo siya at saka magkaroon daw kayo na mas stronger communication this time. Another message, kunin ko ito nasa taas. Fly, a period of ill health and depression. So make sure this time palakasin talaga ang iyong sarili, palakasin ang iyong energy because I'm seeing talaga you're gonna get busy. Nagiging busy ka this time kaya maging alagaan ang mental health and also your physical health, okay? Another message you have Lily, spiritual love. Oh, may someone in your spiritual realm, probably your ancestors are here giving you this lily na parang, uy, okay ka na Aries. Parang binibigyan ka nila ng kalakasan at pagmamahal this time. Baka napanaginipan mo sila lately. Another message, feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. So, huwag ka doon umahas sa mga taong ito, especially with the greedy people in your life. Hindi sila maaasahan, hindi sila mapagkakatiwalaan. So, beware of those people. Itong air na kailangan pag-focus on this whole week, Aries. You have denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Yes, like I said kanina, may fear talaga coming from you. Kaya tanggalin ang takot na yan. Make sure that you are talagang fighting for what you want. Especially here with the outcome, you have the 7 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles telling you, paparating nang hinihintay. Unting tiyaga na lang, unting hintay na lang, paparating ng offer. Kaya huwag nang malingat, huwag panghinaan na loob, ilaban mo ito, sayang ang pinaghirapan mo, everything is worthy, especially here with the 5 of Pentacles, worth it ito, kaya go, so good, okay? The 7 of Pentacles being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, yes. Mauupo ka na lang looking at the result na talagang matagal mong pinaghirapan. I'm seeing a brand new way of your resources. Kapirahan ito, Aries. Kapirahan ito. You will find and land a job or a security or a result sa mga hinihintay mo, talaga magbibigay sa iyo ng financial stability that will give you the resources na kinakailangan mo sa usaping pera. Wow! Congratulations, Aries! Ang ganda-ganda ng outcome. That is your May 12 to 18 reading. Sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.